Hello, good day everyone. Let's try to solve this question. And the question is n cubed plus 27 is equal to 0, and we find the value of n, and it's given that n is belong to complex number. So let's start. First of all, the given information is n cubed plus 27, it's equal to 0. Now this is a 27, so we write this 27 as a n 3 cube, which is also equal to 27. So this is a 3 cube, it's equal to now 0. Now here we recall identity, and we know that a cube plus b cube, this is equal to a plus b, and multiply a square plus b square minus product of ab. Now we apply this identity on left hand side, so this will become a is n in our case, so n plus b is 3, so n plus 3, and this part will become a n square plus 3 square, this is a 3 and it's square, minus product of a and b is a 3n, it's equal to 0. Now this implies one of them must be equal to 0, so n plus 3, it is equal to 0, or n square plus 3 square minus 3n, it's equal to 0. Now look at this first equation. If we subtract a 3 on both sides of this equation, then this will become a n is equal to minus 3. This is the one answer of n. Now look at this equation. We write this equation as a n square plus 3 square is 9 minus 3n, it's equal to 0. Now we rewrite this equation. So n square minus 3n plus 9, it's equal to 0, and this is a quadratic equation. So we use a quadratic formula to solve this equation. So the quadratic formula is n, it's equal to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac over 2a. Now what is a? A is the coefficient of n square, which is 1. So in our question, a is 1. And the b is the coefficient of n. And the b is the coefficient of n, which is a minus 3. And the c is a constant, and constant is 9. So we put this value in this formula. So this is a n is equal to minus, and b is a minus 3 plus minus 3 square minus 4, a is 1 and the c is 9 over 2 and a is 1. Now we simplify this part. So minus minus will become a plus 3 plus minus, and minus 3 square will become a, and the minus 3 square will become a positive 9, minus multiply 4 by 1, we get a 4, multiply this 4 by 9, we get a 36 over 2 ones are 2. Now we simplify this. This is the 3 plus minus 9 minus 36 is minus 27 over 2. Now we write this as a 3 plus minus 27 multiply minus 1 over 2. And we write this as a 3 plus minus square root 27 multiply square root minus 1 over 2. Now we find the factor of 27. So 3 9s are 27, and 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are 3. So we write this 27 as a, this is a 3 square multiply 3, and this is a square root minus 1 over 2. Now look at the next step. This is a 3 plus minus. We write this as a square root 3 square multiply square root 3 multiply square root minus 1 over 2. In the next step, this is a 3 plus minus this square and square root will cancel. We just get a 3 and we write this 3, and we know that minus 1 iota minus 1 square root is equal to iota, so we write here iota over 2. After that we write this as a 3 over 2 plus minus 3 times square root 3 iota over 2. So this is the answer of n. So first value is n is equal to minus 3, and the second answer is 3 over 2 plus 3 times square root 3 iota over 2. Third answer and 3 is 3 over 2 minus 3 times square root 3 iota over 2. And 1, this is and 2 and 3. This is the final answer of our question and we have done. Thank you.